Hey guys, and welcome back to SAAB Cars. Are you one of those guys that think the front indicator lights on the new generation 9-5 has a bit too much orange in them? Do you prefer the transparent look? Well, stick around and I'll show you how to fix that. So let's take a look at what you need to make this happen. You need the front indicator lights, of course, removed from the car. And these only come in one version. So in order for us to make it more transparent, we need to actually cut this open. And for cutting it open, we need some kind of Dremel or Dremel clone with a small cutting disc. Some masking tape, in case we need it. And of course the white marker pen to mark the area where we're going to cut. And some black silicone glue. And to be on the safe side, I suggest using a pair of protection glasses. So without further ado, let's get to work. So now it's time to start cutting in the indicator light. As you can see here, I have a white line going around the back. So I have made a white line and I will cut along that line. This way the whole back will open up and we will get the orange lens out. Because the inside here extends all the way out here, so you need to cut all the way to this point. So let's begin. And the orange lens is gone, and it's time to glue this back together again. So now this has to dry, and maybe tomorrow I can start trimming down the glue a bit. And then it's the same procedure for the other indicator light. Okay guys, so I'm finished with these two bad boys. The second one went a bit quicker than the first one. Remember to don't cut too deep, or you will start to cut in the actual lens, and you don't want to do that. And the most trickiest part was actually this here. The other one is kind of straightforward, you just cut around the plastics here. So the next thing is actually to see what this looks like on the car. So let's go ahead and mount these and see the end result. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys and drive safe.